Hi friends, it's Julia here, welcome to my channel. Today I made a hairstyle which I actually never tried before because 2 years my hair was short. Before I think I had too thin hair, and actually even now I'm not really satisfied with the length of the braids, but I'm very happy that I tried this hairstyle because it's really something new, something cute, easy and fast. So I made a searching and will show you three different hairstyles which was popular in 1940s, 1930s between adults and in 1950s it mostly teenagers was using this milk braids. It's most like teenager hairstyle, but in 1930s, 1940s it was adult hairstyles. Of course they had like or fake hair, or they had so long hair, I have no idea. So looks like this hairstyles with braids was looking more interesting and more beautiful maybe than I have. But anyway, I was surprised how it's cute and beautiful looks like, and I will definitely use them in my life more often. So let's start. So let's start with the first hairstyle. It will be MilkMaid Braids with a scarf or actually ribbon, whatever you have and you want to add. So I'm putting it on the back and starting to do braids with a scarf inside. It's pretty easy. And in the end I'm adding a little volume to the braids because I don't have a lot of hair, so more bigger braid, more beautiful, right? To fix my hair I'm using little rubber bands, which you definitely need to have at your home in your hair color because they're super useful for a lot of hairstyle. After I'm ending the second one, I'm starting to fix actually like MilkMaid's braids on my head. I'm using for this bobby pins, trying to hide them actually under the braids. Anyway, it's not always working, so my bobby pins was sticking out and I can nothing to do with this. I of course used the super little ones which I had, but yeah. After I fixed that, the braids, I'm starting to do a bow with my scarf. And as you see, one part was bigger. I don't know how it's happened, but anyway, I just added as an extra piece of bow, and I think the result is very nice. And you can actually add matching color of the scarf to your outfit, and this is nice. I like then when everything matching together. The next hairstyle is from 1940s with the victory rolls and braids. So we are separating hair in the middle, of course, and after separating it behind the ear for victory rolls. First of all, I'm doing a braids, all same manipulation as in the previous one. And after that, starting to do victory rolls. To be honest, it was really difficult to do victory rolls on a fresh hair without any products and without teasing. But I did that, and yeah, proud. How to do victory rolls, I will add videos in description of this one, and that's why I'm not paying a lot of attention to them here, as I have actually other videos with all little steps how to do a perfect victory rolls. Also, I'm adding here little ribbons. I think it's very cute and give extra colors to your outfit, and I think it's very nice hairstyle. The last one hairstyle is actually the classic MilkMaid Braids. We are doing same manipulation as with the first hairstyle, but without ribbon. What important steps I open in this hairstyle? It's first of all better to fix braid in on the top first and then on the bottom. Also, to hide the ends, it's really difficult a little bit when you have such short hair as I. So I think it depends on your length of the hair, but you saw mine. So if you have plus minus close to this, it will be a little bit challenging to hide them. But I need to say that when I was doing this hairstyle second time, it was better. So every time you will do that, you will be doing every time better and better. Also, I got a couple of strands of hair to make hairstyle more romantic, and actually curl it with a curling iron. hope you enjoyed this video, and I really want to hear which one hairstyle do you like more, and will you try it in your life, everyday life, or not. I hope you will. And also I had a question for you. As my hair become much better after I cut it, so it's like grow totally new and fresh, but also I'm of course put a lot of efforts to care about my blonde. If you're interested, please type in comments. If you're interested, I can share and do a video about how I'm actually care about my hair. Don't forget to follow me, don't forget to put a like under this video, and have an amazing day.